Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear blessed medicos? In my previous video, I have told you we have started our development of urinary system. In my previous video, I told you from general embryology that this was our amnion cavity, and in the floor of the amnion cavity there is the ectoderm. Here is our yolk sac, and roof of our yolk sac is made up of ectoderm. In between the ectoderm and endoderm, we have got our mesoderm. Here is the neural plate and notochord, and this is our mesoderm. Our mesoderm becomes segmented. Okay, just medial to this neural plate and notochord, it is the paraxial mesoderm. Okay, and here laterally is the lateral plate mesoderm. The lateral plate mesoderm and the paraxial mesoderm are joined by means of intermediate mesoderm. Yes. Okay, so intermediate mesoderm, this is the origin of urogenital system. Intermediate mesoderm will give rise to urogenital system in the posterior body wall. Let me make a schematic diagram. This is a baby, and these are his arm and legs. Okay, so our intermediate mesoderm in posterior body wall will become segmented in the beginning of 4th week. In the beginning of 4th week, it will become segmented in the cervical region. First of all, few segments will appear, and these segments in cervical region are named as pronephrons. These pronephrons, what we have to remember is that our pronephrons are rudimentary, they will degenerate, and they have no function. They are non-functional and they will degenerate. In the 4th week, while these pronephrons are degenerating, other segments from intermediate mesoderm in posterior body wall will appear, and these segments are in the thoracic and lumbar region. These segments are named as mesonephrons in the thoracic and lumbar region. These mesonephrons appeared in 4th week. Okay, while they are degenerating pronephrons, they appear in 4th week. What will they will do? They are rudimentary, they will degenerate, but first for about 5 to 10 weeks of gestation they will perform the function of excretion. Okay, after that they will degenerate. How mesonephrons will form a nephron-like structure? Let me explain here. This was our mesonephron in thoracic and lumbar region. Our mesonephron will get tuft of capillaries. Just medial to it will get tuft of capillaries. Okay, and our mesonephron will elongate and forming S-shaped structure that is named as Bowman's capsule, just like Bowman's capsule. And these are the tubules. It will form cup-like structure like this. Okay, and these are the tubules. These tubules open into a common duct that is named as mesonephric duct. This mesonephric duct will open into cloaca. What is cloaca? I will also make it here. Cloaca is the last part of hindgut. We know, I told you in my previous video, it is the last part of hindgut. It was emerged from endoderm, and this cloaca will be forming rectum and anal canal in future. Okay, our mesonephric duct, or the other name for mesonephric duct is Wolffian duct, will open into cloaca. Okay, open into cloaca. And in the sacral region, in the 5th week, in the sacral region, intermediate mesoderm is unsegmented, forming metanephron. Our metanephron will appear in 5th week. Okay, and metanephron will be forming our definitive kidneys. Now we can see that our mesonephron has formed a nephron-like structure, and it will be performing the function of excretion in first 5 to 10 weeks of gestation. After that it will start degenerating. Okay, and mesonephron in females completely degenerates, okay, and form no structures, okay, form no structures. In males, they will degenerate, but some part of it will be remaining and take part in forming internal genitalia in males. Okay, we have learned this. Now we will be studying how metanephron will form kidney. Just before our metanephron will open into cloaca, over mesonephric duct or the Wolffian duct open into the cloaca, there will be an outgrowth near the metanephron. This is metanephron. Just before opening into cloaca, there will be an outgrowth, and this outgrowth is named as ureteric bud. Okay, and this is ureteric bud. Now